What's up guys, PhoneArena here, and today we're comparing video recording capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 on one hand and the Apple iPhone XS Max, and we're recording handheld in 4K 60, taking a brisk walk here. So first thing you should look for is video stabilization. Is there any difference between the two? And who does a better job? So we'll run a little bit. Okay, and now we'll test the continuous autofocus feature by focusing on this pole right here and then switching to the background. Who does it quicker? And to the background. One more time. Let's go to the background. And this, guys, was a quick test of the video capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the Apple iPhone XS Max.